Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we unravel the fascinating world of electronics. In this episode, we're diving deep into integrated circuits, a cornerstone of modern electronics. So buckle up as we explore what they are, how they work, and how they power some of our most beloved devices. First things first, what exactly is an integrated circuit, or IC for short? An integrated circuit is a miniaturized electronic circuit that combines various electronic components like transistors, resistors, and capacitors onto a single piece of semiconductor material, typically silicon. Imagine a tiny city on a chip. This miniaturization allows for the efficient handling of various electronic functions in a compact space. With advancements in technology, these ICs can pack millions to even billions of components into a chip no larger than a fingernail. So, how do these incredible pieces of technology work? At their core, integrated circuits function by controlling the flow of electrical signals. When power is supplied, the tiny transistors within the IC act as electronic switches, determining whether the current flows through certain pathways. Think of transistors as tiny gates. When they are on, current flows through. When they're off, the current is blocked. By managing the state of these gates, integrated circuits can perform complex mathematical calculations, process data, and manage signals. These operations are orchestrated through electrical connections called traces, which form logical pathways on the silicon chip. The beauty of ICs lies in their ability to execute multiple functions simultaneously while taking up minimal space and consuming less power compared to discrete circuits. Now let's explore the practical implementation of integrated circuits in our daily lives. One of the most widespread applications is in mobile phones. Every time you make a call, send a text, or browse the internet, countless integrated circuits are at work. Inside your smartphone, ICs power the CPU, which serves as the brain of the device, processing all tasks from gaming to streaming videos. There's also the graphics IC, responsible for rendering images and videos with stunning clarity. And let's not forget about the battery management ICs that help prevent overcharging and enhance battery efficiency. But mobile phones aren't the only devices benefiting from integrated circuits. Let's talk about personal computers. The modern PC contains multiple ICs that work in harmony to deliver high performance. The CPU in a computer is typically referred to as a microprocessor, which is still a type of integrated circuit. Additionally, there are memory ICs, like RAM and ROM, that temporarily and permanently store data, and graphic cards integrating specialized ICs for complex graphics rendering. Together, these integrated circuits make it possible to run applications, play games, and multitask effortlessly. Beyond mobile phones and PCs, integrated circuits play a vital role in many other electronic devices, including home appliances like microwaves and washing machines, automotive systems for safety and navigation, and even medical devices such as pacemakers and portable ultrasound machines. In conclusion, integrated circuits are truly the unsung heroes of our electronic age. They are pivotal to making our devices smaller, faster, and more efficient. From enhancing our communication through smartphones to revolutionizing computing with personal computers, they empower technology in ways we often take for granted. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of electronics, the evolution of integrated circuits will undoubtedly play a key role, paving the way for even more advanced devices in the future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of integrated circuits. Be sure to tune in next time as we discuss another exciting topic in the world of technology.